In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your iPhone without password. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, the normal method to reset your phone would be going over to your settings, scrolling down until you find general, which is under VPN. And then once you're here, scroll down again and you're going to see transfer or reset iPhone. Right at the bottom, you're going to see erase all content and settings, which is technically going to allow you to do it, but you are going to need your Apple ID password usually. So if you don't have that, what you could go ahead and do is do a full reset. And you can do this by, holding down your volume down button on your phone and your power button together. When you go ahead and hold these down together, you want to keep these held down. You're going to see slide to power off and stuff. Just completely ignore that, but just keep the volume down and the power button held down together until it fully resets. Keep them held down even while it's resetting, and you're basically going to enter a recovery mode. So when you enter that recovery mode, you then want to plug in your iPhone into a PC that has iTunes, and then whenever you plug it in, your iTunes application is going to recognize your iPhone's connected, and then all you want to do is click the restore iPhone option, which is going to take it to factory settings and restore your iPhone after that. And it's as simple as that.